So I just got home off the prison bus. Bentley made this little discovery. So cute. Open your hand a little bit. It's so cute. I don't know what the hell it is. But it was inside the chicken cage, and it's no freaking chicken. It's definitely not a chicken. I'm gonna have to do some research to find out what this is. But it was inside the chicken cage.
But it's mine now, look.
And it's mine now.
Look.
Yeah, so cute.
It's like I'm home.
So right now, just gave it a little drink of water. We're hard boiling an egg, so it can have a little something to eat until we can figure out what to do with this little guy. This thing is tiny. Tiny. Almost fully feathered. This guy's little dreadlocks, a little dandruff. May have gotten lost in its fledge flight. I don't see any mamas or papas looking, but we found it. Sitting right here, inside the cage. Alright, stay tuned and hopefully we'll have some more updates on these little guys.